Today, we take you inside a cosmetics factory to show how glycerin is made through a precise, high-end production process.
Let's start the manufacturing journey. At dawn, the system begins in calm motion. Every movement is guided by quiet coordination. The path forward is already prepared.
Distance closes as transition begins.
The system prepares for transfer.
And here, the journey moves beyond the farm.
The transition zone is now fully active. Each step is guided with precision.
Order is maintained even in motion. The system moves in perfect parallel rhythm.
Okay, bring the grey up now. Watch the spacing on the bay door.
He's clear. Is that the last one?
Yes, secure the ramp.
And now, the journey prepares to move forward.
The convoy leaves the origin point behind.
Momentum builds as the road opened ahead.
Every unit moves as one system.
The route continues without interruption.
The destination begins to take shape. Every vehicle is placed exactly where it must be. The system opens without disruption.
Transition continues through structured pathways.
Each stage flows into the next controlled space.
And the process continues deeper within the system.
The next stage begins inside controlled evaluation zones. Order defines every step before evaluation. Entry is controlled with precise timing. Each detail is reviewed without interruption.
Assessment continues step by step.
And once verified, the system moves forward again.
The system transitions into controlled cleaning stages. Every surface is purified through precision flow.
Balance is maintained in every controlled step.
Preparation ensures consistency before the next phase.
And the process continues into refinement.
The system now moves into precision separation.
Each component is directed into its own pathway.
Separation creates controlled material flow. Collected output is stored under strict supervision.
Stability is maintained across every channel.
The system now enters controlled transformation. Heat activates the first stage of change. Consistency is achieved through controlled energy.
A refined form begins to emerge.
And now, the system prepares for chemical refinement.
Balance is maintained before the next refinement.
The material now enters a refined chemical transformation stage.
Every element is added in exact, measured balance.
Uniformity is achieved through controlled processing.
A purified industrial compound begins to take shape.
Refinement continues until complete clarity is achieved.
The final form is now ready for packaging.
Every batch must pass strict final verification.
Precision filling ensures absolute consistency.
Each bottle is sealed with verified perfection. Only flawless products move forward.
The finished product is now ready for distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce glycerine from start to finish.
A simple ritual begins in quiet focus. Each drop carries a sense of care. The skin responds with quiet renewal. And in stillness, care becomes routine.